It is just after 7. I have made my covfefe. I think this is this year's holiday cup. I can't remember. But what is today's the 2nd day of Vlogmas? It feels like it's already the 14th day of Vlogmas. But anyway, today we are taking Miss Pickles for her vet check and getting her shots. So that's her first time visit to the doctor. I'm sure she'll be thrilled about that. Yeah, but I'll be excited because we can finally take her out to see other doggies and stuff, because until this happens we can't take her to the dog park or do anything fun with her, although it's been so cold that we can't really do anything anyway, so it's just kind of, something we have to do. But that's pretty much what's happening today. It's pretty low-key. We'll get the advent calendars done later and maybe holiday lights. We'll see. Hello, hello, hello. It's first time Friday. Got a package from something. It says bougie. I think it's Diptyque. Pretty sure it's Diptyque. I think it's the holiday candle that I ordered, and I think it's a scent I've never tried. So, first time Friday. Wow. Put a lot of paper in there. Yes, it's Diptyque. Yes, N10 cells. N10 cells. Lots of paper. Okay, I asked for gift wrap. This isn't gift wrapped. It's literally thrown in here. So I got a sample of Rose and Dusson. I'm really disappointed because I asked for gift wrapping because I wanted it to be in holiday packaging. That sucks. So yes, this is the scent. It's in the nice holiday packaging. Oh, I wasn't anticipating that. It smells musky. Does it say on here? Has a candle, bougie perfume. Doesn't say what the notes are. But it's just this. It's very like perfumey, spicy notes. It's not what I was anticipating. I thought I read that it was like chocolatey notes, and it smells more spicy. So we'll light that up for Sunday this week. But I'm really upset that it didn't come in any holiday packaging. I was hoping to get something wrapped, put back under the tree. It is what it is, you know. What are you gonna do? I don't know. She's barely 2 months old and she's already hitting the line. I think we might have a problem. Look at this. My underage daughter is hitting the line. Ah. And we might have a problem here.
Let me lift the top for you there.
Yes, thank you. All right. Day 2. Are you gonna open it, Pickles? You open it for Mama? What we got? What we got? What we got? It's a white. It's Chardonnay.
I predicted.
Yeah, we're having burgers tonight, so this is not the most appropriate wine for
just
for
like we
burgers.
had.
But what do you think, Pickles?
We
Does
had
that
a
look
red
tasty?
wine. Had a red wine last night with our chicken.
It's like, yeah. There's no what's
All right.
wrong with having red with chicken. But, all right, get it chilled up. Okay, we gotta get the dogs off of the booze. So let's see here. Day 2 looks like it's more biscuits that Boo will not give a flying fig about. So we'll leave those there. And we'll move on up to this one, which is pretty...
It's a tough one.
I had to call for reinforcements. Apparently I have no skills. What do you got?
It looks like a bone with meat on it.
Oh my goodness, Boo Bear. We got a treat for you.
Yep.
Where's Boo Bear? There's Boo Bear.
Should we give it to him now?
Yeah, sure. That's a treat
All
for
right.
you, Bubba Bear.
Yes, because you don't like the cookies in
The
your
cookies
calendar.
are just like,
You and
ew.
your sister get to
Look
trade.
at the lick in the lips. Come here.
How about a sit pretty?
Can we do a sit pretty? Good
Yes,
boy, Bubba Bear.
good boy. Good dog.
Oh, I forgot to mention, we just came back from the vet. This one was like a little princess because she's like, oh, look at me, pet me, I'm beautiful. But poor Boo got stuck with needles and he's just not having a happy adventure, so he gets extra treats tonight. I'll get into this one real quick. Looks like right, if I could open it. I think they did a little wrapping now. That's cute. A little bit of tissue. They're trying. What is this? Does it even say what it is? It doesn't. Thank God for the spoiler book, because you can't read the label on this sucker. Pickles says, where's my treat? So a teeny tiny drunk elephant proteiny polypeptide cream, worth $6. Wow. Okay. Okay. I don't even know what it's a Chardonnay. So we're trying it out.
You took the picture when we put it out of the box. So.
Yeah. Pickles was trying to get in there and drink it. Not appropriate. Cheers. Let's see. Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, I like it.
I tend to not do much wine, most wine, because it's very acidic and kind of hurts, but this is actually kind of sweet.
It's got a little bit of that tannic.
A little bit, but not nearly as bad as, I thought, maybe because you chilled it really well, but not bad.
Sometimes these scattered advent calendars can be kind of
Pain in the ass. Stefan's having pie, so I'm over here trying to find my number, and I think I did. So we're here. It's all cushy and protected. It's a scary looking something, elf, gnome, something other. So delicious. Happy Vlogmas Day 2.